Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove send friend request on your Facebook. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Facebook. Now go to your friend request option. Now press and see all. Here you can see 3 dots. Click on it. Now click on view send request. So from here you can remove send friend request on your Facebook. So this is how to remove send friend request. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.